Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to create in Revit Apire Tower in Qatar. Let's get started. So let's start by creating a new architecture template. Let's go to our south elevation and we're gonna add levels first. So click on level 2 and click array. Set this around 45 and then 4 meters apart. And then we have our levels. Let's go back to level 1. And then here, before we go further, I want to show all the floor levels here. So let's go to view and then plan views, floor plan. Level 3 is selected. Scroll down, hold shift and select level 46 and then press OK. All the levels are appearing here. What we could do now is go to level 1 and then here we're gonna go back to architecture, or rather massing and site. Click on in place mass and then press OK. Click circle and then we're just gonna estimate the size. So maybe around 20 meters. And then once we have that, let's go to our 3D view. Select the circle and then create form. Choose this option and then let's go back to our south elevation and we could just pull this upwards like that. So as you know, we need to slice a void on this, so I'm just pushing it upwards more. So after that, go back to our 3D and then just select one of the sides, and then after that this options will appear. Click this add profile and then we're just gonna estimate it around in the middle. So I'm gonna add a profile there, and then as you can see it's still selected. Click on edit profile and then with here we could adjust the size. So we're gonna change this to 16 meters and then click finish. So you can check if you want that profile or you want to exaggerate the detail. So for me, I'm gonna change it again. So I'm gonna press escape. I'm gonna change, or I'm gonna select that profile and then I'm gonna change this to around 14 meters and Yes, I like this much better detailed. So next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go back to our level 1. We're just gonna add a reference plane around here, and then we're just gonna name it void. And then after that, go back to south elevation. Then click this model. It will ask you to specify the work plate. We're gonna choose the one that we created, void, and then press OK. Click the line. I'm gonna zoom in and I'm gonna slice it like this. The line will need to be close, so something like this would be perfect. After that, let's create the form. So I'm gonna choose the solid form because it's easier to manipulate. And then after that, we're gonna change it to void form. So click solid form first, go back to 3D, and then select the face. Then what you have to do is just extend this. And then after that, you just need to simply change this from solid to void and then hit apply. So next, we're just gonna hit finish. Simply select the mass and you'll have this option. Click mass floor and then select level 1. Scroll down, hold shift, select 46 and then click on this box and then press OK. It will then create mass floors, and then once it creates the mass floor, you can go to massing and site, and then you can create the actual floors. So click this, you can select everything and then create floors. So once that's created, go back to massing and site, and then we're gonna create curtain system. So select this face and the other face. So by holding shift and then select this face as well. And then after that, click on create system. It will take a while, so just wait. So once it's done, you will have this pattern grid. The only thing you need to do is go back to architecture and then add some mullions and then all grid. Select this. And lastly, select the other side as well. Last thing you need to do is go back to massing and site and hide the mass. Thank you for watching and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.